Alright guys, today I'm going to wire up my Ford F-250 07. It's gas, just in case you're interested. And we're going to wire these Spyder LED lights that I bought. And I'm going to wire up the running lights so the running lights work only with the key in the run position. This way I'll get the use out of them they were designed for without having to turn the low switch on or park lights or whatever you call it. And then have my cab lights and everything else on at the same time. So this video is going to show you how I did it. If somebody has a better idea, absolutely tell me. But today, that's what we're going to do. This is my Ford F-250 Super Duty 5.4 liter. And I'm going to get a few things ready. These are the bolts we're going to take out for the headlight. There's two up top and two at the bottom. And we're going to pull these four out, get the bolts out, and get the light out. And then we'll go from there. Also, almost forgot, first thing we want to do is undo the battery cable. Positive cable, we don't want to short anything out doing this. Then we can just get the, after that, we can just pop this light right out here. Just get us two wires that we need. Also, one more thing here. Up top here. Alright, now we gotta grab this grill. Just take the top bolts out of it. Just loosen it, slide it back just a little bit so we can get the light out of it. No need to take the bottom off or unsnap it. Once we get that out, then we can slide the light out a whole lot easier.
Time to find a new way.
Got one stripped one here.
Got it. Finally.
Okay, so this is what it out.
Alright, now with the headlight out, we got these are our wires. Right now, all the wires are going right into the park lights to come on all at the same time. What I'm going to do is the 3 whites and the 3 blacks going into the single white and the the single black, I'm going to detach them from the park lights. And those are going to run by themselves independently right to the fuse box, where I'm going to put them on a hot fuse that gets energized when I turn the key to the run position, so that those lights come on automatically. Also, I'm going to take some wire, 2 lengths, one for each black and white, to the next light over, the driver light. I'm going to tie them in there before I run them all the way to the back. I'm going to put some stake-ons on them. I'm going to put one stake-on with some black tape on it so I can identify which one is which when I run them to the next place. Black one, obviously, with the black tape on it, I'll make that the black wire, and then the other one will go to the white. Alright, you're probably going to have to pause this because I'm terrible at this. This is my first movie, but when I disconnected the white and the black, the other sets of wires just connect together. Now, because the white and black is going to go to a fuse and they're going to run all the time as running lights, when you turn your lights on, those will be on as well. I'm just keeping them on when the other lights are off.
It's going to be right there. And what I do is I take the screw, put a piece of electrical tape on it, and once it's in there, I can yank it out.
Now that they're in place, you can see where the wires come out of the headlight. Then I'm going to run them right along the front where the radiator is, and over to the other side, and I'll get them secured up a little bit later once we get it finished. And so they're going to land right here where the other headlight is. And I'm going to get this other headlight, pull it out the same way we did the other one, and expose those wires, connect those the same way I did on the other side. Alright, I got these separated here, so we're ready to connect them up. I've got a little chafe mark on this red one here. I'll wrap that up with some tape, make sure I got a good connection on it. And we're going to tie in our wires from the passenger side into this headlight, and also tie in a wire to go straight back to the fuse box at the same time. I don't know if you could tell, but it's starting to rain on me, so this is turning into a rather a mess. So I'm going to have to move really quickly now. I'm going to go right to getting the wires under the dash for you and take it from there. Alright, we got them underneath the dash. These are my 2 wires. I got a black piece of tape for the black one, and the other one is the white. So we're going to get these tied in. This is the fuse paddle on the 07 F250. This is where our fuses are. I'm going to pick a fuse in here and land it right inside. Just use the fuse and tie it underneath of the fuse when I push the fuse in, and it should work out pretty good. If all goes well, we should have everything working out with some running lights. Alright, so we got them all tied in. We got our black wire right underneath that fuse. 20 amp I picked, and then we got the ground wire tied right there. So all's left to do now is turn the key on and go outside and see if we have daytime running lights with the ignition on and the rest of the lights that are off.